Okay, so here's how you can re-spool Bambu Lab filament. So it comes in these really nice reusable spools that you just kind of twist like this, and they come apart like so. And here's an old spool that's been fully used, so you can see it has the tags where it detects the filament color and material. So that is no longer needed anymore. So basically, you have it like this, and you can just take your spatula or knife or scraper, break it open, kind of tear it open like this. Okay, so here you see the RFID tag that when it's in the machine, it detects it, so you get automatically, the machine knows exactly what color and material it is. So you don't want to take these straps off yet. What you want to do is find this little notch right here by the RFID tag and line it up with this little notch right there. And then that simply goes on like so, and it kind of snaps into place. Then you take the other side, like this, and it should snap into place. And now you simply just take off these plastic straps, and sometimes it does this, which is a little annoying, like so. And I usually do the one that has the end of the filament last. Take this. Then after you do this, you want to make sure to straighten this piece right here or break it off. And then you can just tuck it into this like so. And this is the proper way to store your filament, unless you're just putting it directly into the machine. So that is how you can replace a reusable Bambu Lab spool.